Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about Power BI matrix icons. Okay, let's check these icons. First, you need to create hierarchies. Okay, now I am creating hierarchy countries, and next I am adding product country, and next column is product, and next I am adding segment also. See this, go to add hierarchy and next go to select country. It's automatically added country column. Okay, and next click matrix and select three columns. See this, now available drill downs. Okay, next go to select sales. Okay, let's increase these values. Okay, first we need to increase this column header sizes. Okay, and next we need to increase values text size. Okay, click down up arrow, it's automatically increased these values. Okay, and next go to select this row header and see this, in this place available new feature icons. Let's click on these icons and see this, in this place available icons. First we need to increase this icon sizes. See this, when you click this up arrow, it's automatically increased that icons. Okay, see this, click here, this place icon, it's automatically expand. Okay, expand, now showing product wise. And next you click this plus icon, it's automatically expand and showing segment wise. Okay, and you wanted to change this icon color, it's possible to, in this place click this down arrow and select your favorite color, it's automatically changed that icons colors. Okay, this is new update for matrix.